Mic test. Yan.
Okay, sound check.
Subject.
Right. Good evening, guys. Good evening, Stephen.
Good evening, Tim. And sa mga nanonood ngayon na either live or replay, good evening and nandito tayo ulit sa panibagong week ng Midweek Market Watch with Bybit and exploring product features and news. And kagaya ng dati nating Midweek Market Watch, ang team natin is pag-uusapan natin ang mga bagong news and then panibagong Bybit product, technical analysis, and of course, different announcements na dapat nyo abangan sa Bybit. Lalo na ngayon, nahalapit na yung Christmas. So, pakatutukan nyo guys.
Yeah, happy holidays, everyone. If you're also watching right now, if it's your first time to tune in sa Midweek Market Watch natin, as what Stephen said earlier, we're talking about market news and some technical analysis, and of course, product features and services ni Bybit. So if you are new, you can also check the comment that we've shared below. Simply click on the link and register to the campaign. Tapos, that way we can capture your UIDs and you can win free bonuses ngayong gabi. Also, you can also check the previous videos that we had on YouTube, or you can also check on the blog. Meron tayo yun sa baba. Mapapanood nyo yung mga past videos natin if you wanna check kung ano yung mga napag-usapan natin in the past. Alright. So, very quick lang din, no? We just want to remind everyone, earlier we posted on our social media accounts that we will have our SEA, or Southeast Asia Virtual Meetup 2023. So right now, I know most of you are already busy with the holiday season. We just want to spread further knowledge before we cap the year 2023. So that will take place on December 16. That's 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. So there will be a lot of things that you can learn. We've actually invited some affiliates who are very eager to share their insights about the market. So it's about Bitcoin 2024 forecast and product insights. So with us will be Sir Faridin De La Torre. He's heading mostly forex and crypto trading community, as well as Sir Andy he's an Indonesian VIP investor. So he's also going to share a lot of things about how he does how he made money from cryptocurrency just by investing. And also he's going to share some risk management techniques, especially those who are just starting out with their crypto investments. Also with us would be si Tristan Gabriel. So he's the founder of Gabs Crypto, his own YouTube channel, and it's also the one that we posted before na meron siyang sariling football club. So he's one of our very loyal affiliates. So if you're watching right now, maraming salamat. And last but not the least, will be with Stephen Godilla as well. He's the guy behind Prof. Loki. So ano siya, he's also gonna share his experience in affiliate marketing. He started how he started his journey as a private affiliate, how he was able to nurture his community, and at the same time made some extra income out of it. So if you are interested in watching this, make sure that you click the link below. We will share it actually nasa Telegram and Facebook group na natin, but Stephen, if you can share the link in the comment section so people can see it. So all you need to do is to register to the link below dun sa article. That way we can capture your UID, and scroll down a little bit. You can see there the email address UID that we need para ma-capture din namin yung Google Meet invitation. We can send you an exclusive invitation. So as you check the article, it's limited to 500 participants only. So make sure that you will register early so you have you can secure your spot. And also we have exciting giveaways. Maybe you can share that, Stephen, doon sa sa meetup natin.
Alright. So, yun. Napakadaming dapat abangan sa darating na Sabado. Again, remind you guys, that is 4 p.m. UTC plus 8, so technically 4 p.m. Philippine time on December 16, this coming Saturday. So make sure to register now. And again, 500 participants lang yung may sasali namin. But you guys can still watch naman sa ibang platform. Pero still, yung may sasama namin sa Google Meet link ay 500 participants. I don't know, so far, nasa 100 pa lang naman yung nakakapag-register. So, click the link below, guys. Nasa comment section na din. Na-comment na din ng Bible Filipino YouTube channel, yung link. Ayan.
Yes. Tsaka yung rewards, share mo din sa kanila. Ano yung mga makukuha nila kapag sumali sila ng event.
Alright. So, rewards giveaway. So, una, 20 attendees will each receive bonus of 25 USDT, while 10 attendees will have the opportunity to receive Bybit NFT giveaways through a random selection of 10 questions before and during the event. So, may iba pa. Trading volume bonus. So, the top 5 participants with the highest trading volume 1 week after the event will receive an additional bonus of 60 USDT bonus each, credited 10 days post meetup. So, paano ba ito gumagana? Again, guys, kailangan nyo muna mag-register dito. Provide your email address and Bybit account UID para ma-check natin kung ilan yung naging volume nyo. And again, sa lahat na nag-register, i-evaluate namin yung pinakamataas na volume after 1 week. And then, each of you will receive, yung top 5 participants will receive 60 USDT bonus each. And then, affiliate registration bonus. The first 20 users who register via affiliate registrations will each receive a 10 USDT bonus. Again, hindi pa nauubos tong mga rewards na to so far. So make sure na pag-register na kayo during this live or after this live, after you watch this live. So, ayan. Again, thank you so much in advance and see you in our first ever SEA virtual meetup on Saturday.
Yeah, there you go.
Alright. So, going back sa Midweek Market Watch natin, let's start. So again, risk disclaimers. Investing in cryptocurrencies involves risks. We advise potential investors to research and fully understand these risks before investing. The opinions expressed in this program are those of the speakers and do not necessarily reflect those of the company. So I hope that's clear.
Yep.
Of course, let's make sure we get your name up in lights para ma-shoutout namin kayo. So for everyone in our stream to see and get you by your full name, please allow StreamYard to show it by clicking the StreamYard link and registering. Yan. So winners of Midweek Market Watch last week. Again, sabi natin meron tayong lucky sharers sa mga nag-share yung live last week. We have Sky M, Kilo Azoldik, and number 3 is Rager Kit. So it will be the same for this week. So please share sa personal accounts nyo, sa Telegram group, sa ibang pages ng cryptocurrency trading itong live stream natin, and pipiliin namin yung top 3 to top 5 na sharers. And of course, we also have our lucky winners na nag-register dun sa link ng Midweek Market Watch. So yun yung link na nasa taas, itong QR code. So again, pwede pa rin kayo mag-register, and itingnan natin yung mga mag-register, in-spin wheel natin yung mga UIDs. And for this week, we have this winners. So in total, I think we've already given around 40 winners na yung nanalo sa Midweek Market Watch natin for our 4 series, being this our 4th week ng Midweek Market Watch. Again, thank you so much sa pag-support sa Midweek Market Watch.
Yes, maraming salamat. And then also, if you can share it right now para makanood na sila kasabay ninyo and manalo rin sila ng mga bonus. If you can tag your friends, we would appreciate it. Also, so as we do the midweek series, it will be different, always be different approach per week siya. So if you guys have any suggestions on the midweek series that we will hold after the virtual meetup this weekend, do let us know. So if you want this to be a regular thing, you can where you can win bonuses and learn at the same time. Let us know what exactly do you want to hear about, especially as we end the 2023 then, no? How about next year? Ano yung mga gusto niyong pag-usapan about blockchain, crypto, or like, would you want to be like a midweek series of course, news, but at the same time, do you guys want to discuss crypto currencies na you guys want us to review or revisit, like provide some quick analysis if that particular crypto that you're looking forward to buy is actually a nice crypto to hold. So, or any topics that you guys wanna learn more, comment nyo sa baba. So later we can assess kasi we are already capping off the midweek series, yung first ever midweek series natin. So we're thinking of another topic after this, and we want to make this like a regular thing. And probably next time, no, may mga members din tayo who are joining us here aside from affiliates. So yeah, we want to make the community more inclusive. Sabi ni Ranger Keith, let's go, Bybit. Thank you guys very much for the support. All right, let's proceed.
Alright, so again, quick shout out lang sa mga winners ng November sa mga events natin. Ayan, credited na yung mga bonus. So yung mga winners ng first week ng December up to this day is already pending na yung bonus nyo. So nasa next batch na tayo. But again, yung winners ng November is, ayun, may nakikita na ako nag-chat sa Telegram natin na may mga naka-receive na ng bonus. So make sure to check your rewards hub. Doon nyo pwede maklaim yung mga trading bonuses nyo na kung saan nanalo kayo ng events, community. So, sa mga nanonood, kung gusto niyo pang sumali na maraming events, please join the Telegram, Bybit Filipino Telegram natin para din tayo mas madalas nakapagpa-event, and of course sa Bybit Pilipinas Facebook page. And ayun, again, marami pa tayong events this coming December, and we're still thinking of good activity para sa during Christmas or that week. So, see you sa Telegram group natin. Alright?
Yeah. Mabilisan lang din pala yung community champions na events 1 and 3. Makikredit na siya dapat today. So, baka nasa wallet yun na. Kung nanalo ka sa top 20 ka dun sa community champions trading competition natin, pasok ka na. So, kung first time depositor ka din during the campaign, dapat may $10 reward ka din. And then for event number 2, madalas na nanalo sa mga taga-South, mga Korean community.
Yeah.
Tsaka Turkey and Italy. So, yeah, event 2 hindi tayo pinalad, pero sa 1 and 3 maraming mga Filipino users na nanalo doon ng USDT. Alright, let's go.
So, punta naman tayo sa outline ng live natin ngayong gabi. News, 25 minutes. Bybit Unified Trading, 15 minutes. And then number 3 is price action, 10 minutes. Marami tayong dapat pag-usapan ngayon sa price action din. Kasi nga, alam niyo naman nangyari this week. Ayan. News muna.
Yeah, balita. Diba? Alright. Okay, I'll go first. Donald Trump unveils new mugshot NFTs, steering up prices for his previews NFTs. Former US President Donald Trump has introduced a new NFT collection, the Mugshot Edition, priced at $99, referencing his legal challenges. This announcement has caused a surge in prices for his existing NFTs. The Mugshot Edition offers unique incentives such as dinner with Trump at Mar-a-Lago and piece of the suit he wore during his August arrest. The NFTs include some one-of-a-kind cards and potentially hand-signed editions. Despite Trump's previous criticism or skepticism about cryptocurrency, he entered the NFT space last year with Trump digital collectible cards, resembling baseball cards, and a subsequent series in April, both of which sold out. The recent price fluctuations in its NFTs demonstrate continued market interest. As of August, held $2.8 million in a cryptocurrency wallet from NFT sales, according to documents obtained by ethics watchdog Citizens for responsibility and ethics in Washington. Wow. So last time, 'di ba, super ano siya, ayaw niya sa crypto. Not
Skeptic pa.
necessarily ayaw, pero 'di ba, very kasi heavily invested sa traditional market si or stock market si Donald Trump. So that was the narrative before. But right now, I think it for me, um, it was a shift in narrative from anti to at least signals that he's supporting it, and given that he's aiming to be run for election, that could be a message that, or could be a message of support, or probably just trying to tap the crypto enthusiast for
Okay,
the
sige.
upcoming election. So we don't know, but malaking kita yan, $2.8 million.
Alright. So, second news, US ended lower, rising 3.1% from a year ago. In November, the US Consumer Price Index (CPI) reached 3.1%, meeting economists' expectations and slightly lower than the previous month's 3.2%. The monthly headline CPI increased by 0.1%, consistent with predictions and up from October's 0%. The core CPI, excluding volatile food and energy, rose 0.3% monthly, matching expectations and surpassing October's 0.2%. The annual core CPI was 4%, in line with forecasts and October's figure. Bitcoin's price remained relatively stable at $41,900 after the report. The data is unlikely to significantly impact market expectations regarding the US Federal Reserve's stance, with the consensus anticipating the maintenance of the current Fed funds rate at 5.25% to 5.5% in the upcoming policy meetings. The US stock index futures experienced a modest increase, with the S&P 500 rising by 0.25%, while the 10-year Treasury yield dropped 1 basis point to 4.22%. So, nabanggit dito, Bitcoin's price remained stable despite a little bit decrease sa noong November ng CPI inflation. So, I think good for US. Sakto lang sa crypto kasi naging stable naman siya. And not a huge of gap yung nangyari or deviation. So, we'll try to look more onto this and yung magiging future effect ng mga sunod na CPI report sa mga susunod nating live stream. Nakamute po ata kayo. Ayan, nakamute.
BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF now invites participation from Wall Street banks. BlackRock's proposed spot Bitcoin ETF is undergoing a significant change, allowing authorized participants to create new fund shares with cash instead of exclusively with cryptocurrency. This alteration opens the door for major Wall Street banks like JP Morgan or Goldman Sachs, which face restrictions on holding cryptocurrencies directly, to play a crucial role as APs in BlackRock's ETF. While highly regulated US banks cannot hold Bitcoin themselves, they could facilitate the creation of new shares with cash, which an intermediary can then exchange into Bitcoin and store with the ETF's custody provider. This move is seen as a strategic shift that could broaden the participation of large banks as liquidity providers, potentially attracting a flood of money from retail investors if the SEC approves spot Bitcoin ETFs. The change is expected to increase liquidity, leveraging the substantial balance sheets of major American banks compared to market making firms with crypto experience. So it's like new fund shares now with cash instead of crypto holdings. So more of adding liquidity pa din. But this is definitely still gonna be dependent on whether or not the SEC will approve the Bitcoin ETFs. So yeah, I think everybody's waiting for the ETF approval no of the SEC. At sometime in January yata yung ano yung magiging result if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, the change is really expected to increase liquidity. So if that happens, it should be another move to contribute to the bullishness of the market. So we'll still monitor this.
Ayan. So, ayan, may nababasa akong comment ni Ranger Kit dito. Ayan. El Salvador daw is offering citizenship to those who have 1M Bitcoin or Tether. So, grabe naman yun. So, salamat bro for sharing. And for our last news for today, US presidential candidates chat about crypto and target federal regulators. Three US presidential candidates, Vivek Ramaswamy and Asa Hutchinson, Representative of Republicans, and Democrat Representative Dean Phillips, expressed pro-crypto sentiments at an event hosted by the Coinbase-backed Stand with Crypto Alliance. The candidates pledged to rejuvenate the cryptocurrency ecosystem and alleviate regulatory pressures on crypto companies. Despite differences in approach, they emphasize the need for a clear and cohesive regulatory framework for digital assets. Ramaswamy criticized regulatory overreach in the crypto sector, describing it as a cancer. The candidates discussed the creation of a unified regulatory framework limiting federal regulators' powers, educating policymakers about crypto, and protecting developers from criminal charges. They collectively criticized the SEC or the Security Exchange Commission's crackdown on crypto exchanges, advocating for a reduction in the agency's powers. While none of these candidates are leading in primary election polls, their support for crypto signals a potential shift in political sentiment towards the industry. They also highlighted blockchain's potential to disrupt traditional finance, emphasizing the transparency and fairness it could bring to the financial system. So it's really nice to hear na may mga ganito palang candidates ang presidency sa US kasi yun nga, I mean hindi na wala namang assurance din na binigay kahit sila manalo pero the fact that they can say it publicly that they fully somehow support and yun nga to the extent na pababain pa yung strictness sa regulation and kagaya na sinabi sa article, maybe malaking impact siya sa political sentiment ng mga tao or somehow naikukonek kasi yung politics sa industry ng crypto. Imagine sa mga interview ng presidency, nalilink yung cryptocurrency industry kung ano ba yung plano nila kasi nga, syempre, lumalaki din talaga yung reach ng cryptocurrency and nagiging controversial topic siya sa politics. Kagaya na lang dito sa president ng mga candidates is nabigyan ng emphasize yung tanong na anong plano nila sa crypto. So malaking bagay.
I think well as you look into the US type of election no there it's not an easy I mean, it's not like in the Philippines that everybody can run as long as you can qualify for the basic requirements. In the US kasi there's always a nomination between Republican and Democrat. So two-party system sila. So even if there's a lot of people expressing their pro-crypto sentiments or the idea of them running as president, it would still be up to the party whether or not they will be selected or shortlisted as the party bearer. So for me, this can be still be considered for me like a noise. It's still a sentiment from these people. It's just maybe like a news trying to emphasize. Of course, the event is backed by a crypto exchange that, so we can say that it's still the people that were invited are mostly people that are pro the sentiments of cryptocurrency. So I feel like it's a nice idea. Although it wouldn't really matter until 'di ba na manominate talaga sila as the party bearer. So right now I think it's still I'm not sure kung sino sa Democrat, but for Republican I think it's still Trump that's leading the leading the nomination. Pero despite a lot of issues or like cases filed at him. All right, sabi ni Ranger Keith, how is the Philippine government taking crypto next year kaya? Do you guys have any opinion on the matter? Personally, I don't know what we have right now is ano, diba, yung investment sovereign fund. That sovereign fund is something that probably they might use to invest in other assets or financial instruments. So if you look at the background of the CEO of the sovereign fund, I haven't seen any, or I mean at least no, dun sa mga naging background niya, there is no particular uh, sign saying na he's into crypto. But who knows, right? Um, I think eventually they should still consider it, especially if they want to go, if they want to get parang find ways to beat like use it as a hedge against inflation. So we'll see if they will consider cryptocurrency as part of the sovereign fund, or like maybe if the ETF gets approved next year, 'di ba? They can utilize it. The government can actually invest on ETF then without really buying bitcoins, but just buying um, ETFs pegged to the Bitcoin's price. Mga boss, idea lang, mga 10 minutes every midweek market watch. Wait lang. Midweek market watch. Sa bandang huli ng stream, mag-live analysis ulit si Prof. Loki sa itong pinara namin last time. Yeah, why not? So next midweek series siguro we can try to look for wala lang available na affiliate right now kasi masyado na namin sinabala. Pero kung kaya ni Stephen na sumali every week, why not? Tag niyo siya tapos sabihin niya sumali siya sa amin. Feel free to join. All right, I think that's the last news for this week. Pero pinakamalaking impact is nang bumagsak yung BTC to 40k from taas na, ang bilis ng pagtaas na, di ba? From 44 and then nag 40k, that was a massive correction. So I hope you guys did not get liquidated, or at least you have your stop loss set, at least para hindi kayo ma-devastate dun sa fluctuation na yon. All right, price action. Let's talk about price action na.
All right. So let's just use this chart from Bybit. Share this tab. Here ba yung ano? So, early on this week lang nangyari. So, tingnan natin yung time frame is nasa 1 day time frame tayo. And, ayan. 2 days ago, nung nangyari yung pagbagsak December 11. Recently, napag-usapan natin, tingnan natin yung mga previous TA natin. Ayan, nagkaroon tayo ng trend line up to this point, bumagsak, and then September, November, and then continuing until December. This time is patuloy pa rin yung pagtaas, and last time nga is yung pinaka-relevant nating TA is yung uptrend trend line natin. And itong box na to na sinabi natin na pwedeng mag-retrace ulit yung price, pero unfortunately we kept on taking short sa mga previous live stream natin. And ayun, itong dalawang trades natin previously. And this point, ayan, nagkaroon tayo ng malaki-laking breakout, and yun, hindi niya sinunod tong trend line na potentially is a liquidity para bumagsak and magawa siya ng pataas. So, usually ako pag nagte-technical analysis ako, ginagawan ko muna ng, kung napapansin nyo, parang ginagawan ko muna siya ng story from yung mga previous analysis from previous month, and then saka tayo magpo-proceed sa present market. So again, this is not a financial advice. This is a personal insight kung ano yung nakikita ko technical analysis wise. Yun. Tapos, ayan. So, ano bang meron ngayon? Tanong ng marami, are we bullish? Are we bearish? So, again, look at the bigger picture, guys. Have we broken a low yet? In what daily time frame? In a daily time frame? Obviously, wala pa. And if you're, sige, subukan nating tingnan sa iba't ibang strategy. If you're using a Fibonacci, hindi niya pa nababasag to. And fortunately, nandun pa siya sa discounted levels. So, basic TA, bullish pa din. Pag nilagay natin yung mga tag natin dito, moving averages natin, still above the moving average of 200, 100, and especially in a daily time frame. So, technically, bullish pa din tayo. Now, ano ba yung mga susunod na move? Daily time frame, again, bullish sentiment. Tingnan natin ngayon sa 4-hour time frame. Makikita pala natin sa daily time frame, bakit siya, ano yung reason, bakit tumigil siya sa 41K na pagbaba? Kung makikita nyo, if you are trading imbalances, ang gandang imbalance ito sa daily time frame. And pag tingnan mo sa lower time frame, imbalance din siya. So usually, kapag bumagsak yung price, ang magnet natin is itong mga ganitong klase ng imbalance. And supported pa ng ibang technical analysis like Fibonacci. So, ayan. Diyan nag-hold ngayon yung price. Technically, we can call it a demand zone. So, what's next for Bitcoin? Kung makikita natin, yung price is nakagawa ulit ng imbalance naman dito sa taas. So, ang tanong is, babalik ba siya dyan agad? Babalik ba siya dyan agad? Daily time frame tayo. Now, pwede tayo pumunta ng 4-hour time frame. Anong meron sa 4-hour time frame? Pag nag-plot tayo ng trend lines, meron tayong trend line pababa and of course, trend line pataas. So multi-analysis tayo, multi-strategy analysis. Meron din tayong chart pattern dyan na makikita nyo triangle. So hindi natin, yung mga ganito kasi ng chart pattern is hindi natin alam kung ano pa yung potentially, well, I mean, siya yung undecisive na chart pattern. So hindi siya makukonclude directly unless there's a confirmation. Kapag tumaas siya dito, ibig sabihin, kailangan niya mag-pullback ng konti, healthy pullback, saka siya magtataas. Pag bumaba naman siya, tapos nag-retrace, and bumaba pa ulit, yun na yung bearish. So, ngayon, nasa consolidation part pa tayo, especially in the 4-hour time frame. And very obvious naman na consolidation, kasi nga, pag i-lower time frame pa natin, imagine nyo itong nakagawa siya ng low, ito pa rin yung pinakamababa. Tumaas siya ng konti, bumaba ulit, pero hindi niya nabasag tong low. Kung nabasag niya tong low, bearish siya. Bearish yung market structure. Ngayon, tumaas siya. Hindi niya rin ito nabasag. Ibig sabihin, hindi rin siya sure kung bullish siya. Itong mataas na to, bumaba ulit, pero hindi niya din ulit ito nabasag. So, ibig sabihin, nire-reject niya yung decision kung bullish ba siya or hindi. So, ano yung ako nakaisip na nakapag-formulate ako ng possible scenarios ko basing nito sa technical analysis na meron. So, makikita natin, kung nagtitrade kayo ng chart for smart money concept, medyo delikadong mag-long dito kasi napakagandang liquidity nito. Ang ibig sabihin nun, maraming stop loss na naglagay dito. Yung mga nag-long dito sa part na to, yung stop loss nila nandito sa zone na to. Ang kalimitang ginagawa ng smart money pagka ganito yung chart is that kinukuha niya tong liquidity pababa, saka siya tataas and saka siya pupunta dito sa balance. And again, take note, nakagawa siya ng imbalance dito sa daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, and 1-hour time frame. So if I'm looking kung ano yung magandang zone ng Bitcoin, ito yung price na yan. So, potentially, abutin yan. Pero kailan siya aabutin? Ito yung isang scenario. Pwede siyang bumaba para kunin yung mga stop loss. Yun yung tinatawag nating smart money. And saka siya pupunta doon para kunin lang yung mga remaining orders na nasa baba. And still, demand zone pa din to, itong part na to. May order block pa din yan. Kaya potentially, bumaba pa yan para kunin yung stop loss sa mga naglalagay dyan and i-mitigate tong zone na to. Initially, guys, pag pinull up nyo ulit yung Fibonacci niya, nasa 0.618 golden zone din tong part na to. Kaya medyo imperative and medyo mataas yung point. Yung isa pang scenario, yung bearish scenario naman, ito kasing zone na to, hindi natin sure kung tataas siya or bababa. Pero alam nating aabutin ulit yung part na to. It's either mag-react siya dito para bumagsak or abutin niya yung price na yan para mag-retrace saka ulit mag-continue ng bullish run. So, other than that, ano bang ito yung unang scenario ko, di ba? Yung isa pang scenario is that directly itong mga naka-short naman, tas ang ginawang stop loss ay nandito, itong mga zones na to, pwede rin niyang akitin ng bullish part na yan ng mga bulls para abutin tong zone na din to. So, initially,
So less consolidation.
Ito, sobrang risky mag-trade. I mean, personally, medyo risky mag-trade ng shorter time frame or mga mababang time frame kapag ganito nasa indecisive pattern tayo. So, kung magte-trade ka, yes, maganda, abangan mo siya sa violet region na to. And abangan mo kung magko-consolidate siya dyan, makabuo siya ng bearish patterns or lagpasan niya yan fully and mag-retrace. And sa zone na to, ayan, pag nag-retrace na siya pabalik, pag nilagpasan niya, ay makakita ka ng magandang candlestick pattern, magandang charts. Magandang green candles like this ones, yan, mga ganyan. Initially, i-continue na niya yung upward movement ulit. And key indicator na magiging bullish na ulit siya is pag nabasag niya ulit to. Una, bounce play, taas, basagin niya ulit to, and 45K, bounce play, pataas ulit. So, yun yung mga possible scenarios. But again, you have to take note of this zone. Sobrang nakakasilaw tong zone na to para sa smart money kasi nga, para din siyang, support and resistance. Nag-act as support. And again, pag sinabi nating support siya, pag maraming beses siyang hinahawakan, at some one way or another, bubutasin niya yan. Potentially, papaganyan pa yan, or di natin alam, hintayin din natin yung reaction niya sa zone na to. Demand
You
zone
also
din
need
yan.
to observe how solid yung support. So, it's also expected that it will revisit it every time, especially kung shorter time frame ka. Mas kitang-kita mo kung paano siya sinusubok yung support. Pero yun, if you are also looking for swing trades, you might wanna look for chart patterns. So, sabi niya nga kanina, para siyang descending triangle, no? And then you have to wait for potential breakout, change in character naman. And then kapag na-breakout niya na yung pattern na yon, sabi nga kanina ni Stephen, parang it needs to break it first and then wait for a retest kung talagang totoong breakout yung nangyari. One indicator is also the volume. So,
definitely.
Volume is strong enough. So maybe you can share them yung volume, no? Para makita mo kung saglitang breakout lang pa siya, di ba? Pero if you see that there's a huge volume, buy volume coming in or sell volume, it signals na that can be a valid breakout. But of course, to be very safe, wait for a retest muna. Minsan kasi may mga iba talagang malakas ang loob. They will set an open position, long position, as soon as the breakout starts, and then put a stop loss below the invalidation price. Pero kasi that's a nice thing to do. Medyo risky siya. So what I usually do is to wait until it bounces back down, and then wait until doon ako magsiset ng long position, and then place a stop loss below. At least that way I'm confident already na meron ng support doon sa area na yon. Kesa yung bumalik ka lang and then you will just be manipulated by whales. And also to resonate with what he said earlier, yung understanding rin yung possible movement ng mga whales, di ba? Kasi yung stop loss liquid sa baba na stop loss, what whales usually want to do is to let you retail traders take away funds from retail traders. Kasi they can just simply manipulate the market in a way that, kasi advantageous nga sa kanila kasi they have they have huge amount of funds na pinantitrade. So if they place a sell order, obviously there's a huge impact to the market. And then once they know, obviously meron na sila naka-place na open position sa baba. So when they sell, take a open position, and then pag tumaas ulit yung market, of course, market psychology, people will also buy the dip. So from there, they will also grab liquidity and make money from it. So you
Yeah.
just have to be thinking like a whale too. Don't just be swayed by buying. Always wait for confirmation. And yeah, it's important that you always know where to find invalidation price.
Yeah. Agree.
There's just some
So, yun.
insights.
Basically, yun yung TA natin. Again, yung volume din, mahalaga yan. Tingnan nyo tong part na to. Kunyari, bumagsak siya dito, and yung volume mo is, kita nyo yung blue line. Kung yung blue line is matataasan niya yan, yung volume na to, malagpasan niya, tapos bumagsak siya, confirmed yung volume mataas yung volume, saktong pagbaba din niya is tumama din. Ibig sabihin, confirmed, hindi siya fake out. Mataas yung chance na hindi siya fake out kapag yun nga, yung volume, itong line na to, nataasan itong
Goes
blue
above.
line. Yeah.
Goes above
Kung
the blue line.
Yeah, goes above the blue line. Kung makikita nyo itong mga, yung mga pagbagsak na yan, lahat ng mga candles na yan, katulad ng candle na to, red candle na to, goes above na, medyo mataas na, and the previous candles yan, confirmed yung volume na sabihin, marami talaga yung nag-short, kasi nga marami yung volume, malaki yung money na ginamit pang short. So hence, confirmed yung downplay.
Yeah. So right now it's hard to place a trading position kasi we are still in the middle of a consolidation pattern. So it will just be a very risky thing if we place an order right now. So there are times that as a trader, it's not always about placing trades when you have the money, when you have money on hand. Right now it's consolidating. For me, it's not a good time to trade. I'll wait for confirmation muna. Looking at 1 hour, 4 hour time frame, hindi pa siya ganun ka decided eh. But if you're a spot trader, then or spot investor, this could be probably like 10% of your fund you can already put in, diba? Or like 20% of your fund. So when it goes up, may nabili ka sa baba. When it goes down, at least hindi ganun ka heavily exposed yung funds mo sa sa volatility ng market. But then like as a trader nga, yun, consolidation, you can follow the price action but it's risky. So wait, for me, hindi naman ako super scalper, more in swing trades talaga. I'll wait for confirmation first, wait for volume to shoot up, and then wait until it's the RSI is not indicating na overbought na siya. So yun, tingnan natin muna kung mababasag niya yung upward trend or pababang trend. That's when we will decide. All right? Nakamute ka, bro. So quickly lang, let's touch upon yung unified trading. Okay.
All right.
Pero gusto mo pa, Stephen, mag-place ka ng order kahit baka chumaba. Ang maliit lang na fund. Okay, may bonus naman tayo na magagamit. So baka lang din ngayon, at least you can see how to place an order properly.
Demonstration lang ulit para sa mga viewers natin kung paano mag-place ng order. Basically, siguro base na lang tayo sa mas maliit na time frame analysis kasi nga quick trades lang naman. So, ayun. Obviously, sa shorter time frames, nagkakaroon tayo ng downward movement kasi PA-wise, pababa siya. Ayan. So, initially, gusto natin, bumaba pa siya dito. So, we're looking for a short setup and we're just positioning ourselves kung saan mas maganda. So, let's just target a 1 to 2 risk to reward in a 5 minutes time frame. Wait. Saan ba yung box? Short position. Initially, pwede tayo maglagay dito tapos lagay natin yung stop loss natin. Hindi makasama sa zone na to. Kasi good indication din siya na rectangle. Kali, ayan, kung gusto nyo mag-trade, ayan, para tayo maglagay ng limit order sa zone na to. Stop loss, kahit above, and then target 1:2. Slightly lower sa target price natin. Quick, short setup para sa BTC. So, ito yung target price natin, yung bababa niya. Open market, limit price, order by cost. Limit, 41219. Type lang natin, 41219.48. Tapos, okay naman siya na across leg tayo. Then, order by cost is around $10. Tingnan natin yung take profit. Then, SL natin. SL is around 415,990. Lagyan natin siya short position. Expected loss. So, ibig sabihin, medyo mataas yung nilagay natin. Tayo natin, $5 loss, pero $10 gain kapag nanalo. So, $6. Ayan, ganito. Bigger price is around take profit 40476.69. Again, manage your risk, manage your position. So this is how you can manage your position. Check nyo lang yung take profit, tapos yung willing to risk, dapat ito lang yun, dito lang siya lalabas. And at that point, alam mo na kung ano yung mawawala sa'yo kapag natalo ka sa trade. Ito yung feeling ko hindi pa masyadong naiintindihan ng mga bagong trader, lalo na pa nagtitrade sa derivatives. Guys, pag naglalagay kayo ng stop loss, alamin nyo kagad kung ilan yung matatalo sa inyo. Hindi yung ang strategy is by percent na minsan mas malayo yung deviation ng price. Hindi natin alam kung ano ba yung matatalo sa inyo. Akala nyo, ay mababa lang yung stop loss ko, maliit lang yung box niya. Pero hindi mo alam nasa 1 hour time frame ka, which is medyo malaki siya. Considering na hindi mo gamay kung paano maglagay ng stop loss and of course yung proper leveraging. Ako kahit naka 100x ako, baka isipin ng ibang viewers na porque ay 100x siya, 100x din tayo. Hindi. Kasi naka 100x ako, pero yung willing to risk ko, as makikita ko na kagad na 5.39. Na ma-maximize ko yung parang willing na ipautang ng isang exchange kahit naka 100x. So, $10, nasa $6 na yung ginamit kong margin, pero mataas na leverage. And ayan. Double check, short. Alright, wala na tayong dagdag. And then, done. Click confirm. And then, you can just wait. Wait lang natin. Ito siya.
Yan.
So,
Shoutout ko lang si Crypto Drop 03, no? He's watching from our YouTube channel. So if you're newbie and you're still starting to learn how to trade cryptocurrencies, we really recommend that you visit our YouTube, watch our videos in the past from episode 1 all the way to episode, I think, 12. And yeah, there's a lot of videos there. And engage in the community as well. Ask questions kung meron kang gusto magtunan. Pero what we're doing right now is a bit more advanced. If you're a newbie, I would highly suggest, the way I personally do it, start with spot trading first. Spot trading is buying low and selling high, which means that when you buy your crypto, you have you technically own that crypto in your wallet. So when it goes up, when the price goes up, you make money. When the price goes down, you might lose some. Pero there's no liquidation price. Ibig sabihin ng liquidation, hindi siya mawawala. Kasi magiging paper loss lang siya. Meaning, kapag natalo hindi man talo, pag nalulugi siya for a while, pag naka-recover yung asset na yon, pwede kang mag-profit out of it pa din. So for example, yung Bitcoin, binili mo at $40,000. Bigay ka ng 10K. Let's just say lang, 10K for the sake of this explanation. Tapos nag-80,000 siya. $80,000 siya next month. So that makes it 20,000 pesos. Pero just in case lang, bumaba yung market, nag-$20,000 siya. Yung 10K mo can be 5,000 pesos. So you will incur losses. Pero if and when nangyari na naka-recover yung market, you kept buying below $30,000, di ba? Nag-cost averaging method ka, you bought Bitcoin at lower prices. Pag tumaas yung market ulit, let's say bumalik siya ng 40,000 yung entry price mo, bumili ka ng another 10,000 nung 20K siya. Meaning, kapag nag-40K si Bitcoin, double yung 10K mo ng 20K. So, yung first 10,000 na in-invest mo, bumalik rin siya sa dati niyang presyo. Therefore, yung presyo ng asset mo is roughly nasa 30,000 pesos. So, ganun yung how cost averaging works kasi more on investing siya. Tapos kapag nag-80,000 siya in time, kung ano yung cumulative price na or amount na binili mo nung 20K tsaka 40K, magpo-profit ka doon. So most likely, kung naglagay ka ng 10K nung 40K, nag-80K siya, may 20,000 ka. Tapos kung bumili ka ng 10,000 nung $20,000 si Bitcoin, ibig sabihin, tumaas siya ng almost 3 times. So yung 10K mo magiging roughly mga 40,000. So kita mo yung yung dynamics when you are investing. When you're investing in crypto kapag spot. Mas madali siya kasi hindi mo mawala yung crypto sa'yo. Pagka derivatives kasi it's more advanced. Here there's a possibility of losing your funds kapag hindi ka talaga nag-ingat. So keep watching muna before you give it a shot. Learning is really important. Alright, na-place mo na yung order.
Oh, yes.
Abangan natin yan sa susunod na mga araw. Balitaan mo naman kami pagka post mo. Kahit talo, okay lang yun. Ang mahalaga, nakita natin.
Parang hindi natin na-analyze yung previous trades natin eh. Kalimutan natin.
Next week. Susunod natin ng midweek series. Alright,
yes.
So para makaabot tayo sa 8:30, let's go to our main topic, which is very quick lang naman. This is not really a product. It's more of a allocation ng wallet mo para magiging unified siya. That's why it's called Unified Trading Account. How does it work?
All right. So, how does it work? So, cryptocurrency is a revolutionary asset class that keeps evolving, and exchanges like Bybit continuously seek to provide users with better and more robust solutions. Many users typically manage multiple accounts on a trading platform as Bybit's product line expand into spot, derivatives, and options. You might wish to unify your accounts for better trade optimization. And with the Bybit Unified Trading Account, you will now be able to manage all your assets and funds in one account. So Bybit Unified Trading Account is open and users alike to access better risk management, higher capital efficiency, plus collateral margining, and enhanced flexibility. So I guess we can watch part of this video on how he explained about Unified Trading Account.
Hello, I'm Brandon. Today I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how to upgrade your Bybit account to the brand new Unified Trading Account system. It's quick and easy, so feel free to follow along with me. If you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them in this video, but let's jump right in. A Unified Trading Account is an improved account system that allows you to utilize 5 Bybit core trading products from one place. Make trades with spot, margin, USDT perpetuals, USDC perpetuals, and USDC options from your singular unified trading account balance. Enjoy more simple and convenient trading, diversify your portfolios, and maximize your capital efficiency with just one account. Here's an example of one of the ways your unified trading account will work for you. After upgrading to UTA, the profit and loss calculation for all 3 of your derivatives account balances, so USDT perpetuals, USDC perpetuals, and USDC options, will be combined and offset each other's risk. Let's say your USDT and USDC perpetuals positions are performing well, just as your strategy predicted, but your USDC options trades are currently lagging behind. Where a regular USDC options account may be forced to liquidate, a unified trading account will consider the combined P&L across all 3 assets, possibly saving your account from liquidation. But that's just one example. A unified trading account will collateralize over 60 supported assets for cross-margin trading, leverage up to 5x with margin trading on spot, and offset profit and loss across positions of different products, allowing unrealized profit to be used to open new positions. Now that you know a few of the ways a unified trading account can level up your trading, it's time to upgrade. Start by logging into your Bybit account and navigating to the spot.
Alright. Ng Bybit, unified trading account. And of course, what is unified trading account? So we just want to highlight ano ba yung one of yung mga enhanced asset uses niya. So one, cross-asset collateral. So traders can use the USD value for all supported collateral, and then netted profit and loss and margining with unrealized profits. So I think bagay siya sa mga multiple or nagkitrade ng options, nagkitrade ng spot, nagkitrade ng derivatives all at once or at the same time para again netted profit and loss na. Kumbaga yung total na profit and loss na ng isang portfolio mo yung makikita mo. Pinagsama-sama na kinita ng spot, kinita ng derivatives. At the same time, yung liquidation price mo sa derivatives accounted doon yung nasa investment mo sa spot, yung investment, yung pera mo sa nasa USDC options, yung pera mo sa USDC perpetual. So all at once, nandun, counted siya as part of your liquidation price. And this disclaimer, again, so pag naabot yun, technically, damay din yung iba mong asset na nasa ibang, yung iba mong assets na kahit hindi siya part ng derivatives. So, makikita nyo itong link na to sa Bybit Learn kung ano pa yung mga important details about unified trading account. And ayan, meron pa tayong isang link naman kung paano din siya nag-work. So initially, kapag nag-UTA ka, kapag wala kung ano ka lang sa normal trader ka, like hindi ka upgraded sa UTA, so para makapag-trade kasi Bybit, ang ginagawa mo, nag-deposit ka ng funds, na-transfer mo yung funds mo sa spot account mo from funding account, i-trade mo yung spot. Now, gusto mo naman mag-trade ng derivatives, kailangan mo i-transfer yung funds mo to contract account, trade contracts, tapos transfer ulit. Mga multiple transfers. Whereas, kapag naka-UTA ka naman, pagka-deposit mo, automatically, parang may isang centralized wallet na kung saan papasok dun yung, pwede mo na agad siya directly gamitin sa UTA, sa USDC, sa USDT option, sa spot, and nasa iisang circulation lang siya. Doon lang siya magana. And personally, napag-usapan nga namin is that recommended siya for sa mga traders na usually nagtitrade ng swing sa derivatives, and at the same time, yun nga, multiple collateral assets yung tinitrade. Nag-options, nag-spot, nag-derivatives ng sabay-sabay at nag-diversify at gustong mapadali yung buhay na technically, nakikita niya na kagad yung net profits ng mga assets niya or mga collaterals niya sa iba't ibang Bybit products. And ang benefits niya nga guys, ang medyo kinagulat ko lang dito kanina nung inaaral namin siya, is that yung unrealized profits mo, pwede mo pang gamitin pang margin. So technically, kahit hindi mo pa na-close yung trade, kahit yung unrealized or ongoing trade mo na may profits na hindi mo pa na-close, yung profits mo doon, pwede mo na siyang gamitin as margin. So, hinay-hinay lang naman kung balak niyo yung subukan. Yeah. Technically, isa yung
super, somehow there's still, it carries greater amount of risk din. Kasi if you are placing an order out of your unrealized profit, especially kung maliit lang yung asset mo, you may never know what might happen, no? Kapag kasi mag-a-adjust din yung liquidation price mo kapag yung unrealized profit mo bumaba. So it's really advisable kapag yung market talaga is tuloy-tuloy na tumataas. So it rarely happens kapag talagang bull market. So how do I see this personally on a personal note? Parang I feel like this is something that you should use if you're a swing trader. You have a huge amount in your wallet. Ako para sa akin, let's say, pag talagang pag yung madalas kang nagfa-futures trading na para ka nag-spot, low leverage tas high margin, pwedeng ganun, no? At least that you are able to forecast yung liquidation price mo na parang alam mo you're not gonna be liquidated kasi nga it will use other amount or other assets of yours as a collateral in case you're about to be hit sa ano mo, sa liquidation price mo. Had it been naka regular na account ka. Pero kung naka unified trading account ka, it will help you in averaging down yung potential na pagka-liquidate mo dapat dun sa isa, pero dahil meron ka pang other assets, other wallets that can help protect you from happening na magkaroon ng ng liquidation. Safe ka. Pero yun, I would say this is not really meant for newbies. I think newbies will still have to would have to go through the regular path para mas maging familiar ka. This one is really best for those people who are trading multiple products like USDT perpetual, USDC perpetual, and other products that we offer at Bybit. Yeah, so it really depends on you, but in my personal opinion, it really depends on how frequent you are in trading. And this one is really beneficial for those who are doing swing trading. Tapos yung medyo malaki yung fund niya na nakalagay sa spot. So I'll give you a scenario, no. Kunyari meron kang Bitcoin sa spot wallet mo worth let's just say 1 Bitcoin. Tapos nagti-trade ka ng derivatives, USDT perpetual worth 1K USD, 'di ba? Tapos yung iba kasi they are not comfortable in setting stop loss. Gusto nila alam na nila na malalim yung liquidation price that it will never be hit. Parang ganoon yung thinking nila, 'di ba? Correct me if I'm wrong, no? But that's somehow what other people are doing. Parang they know that it's not gonna be they're willing to carry the loss it will bring kung bumababa siya because they know that at one point hindi naman sila talaga ma-liquidate kasi nga malaking collateral kaya malalim yung liquidation price. Ito kadalasan mga naka 2 or 3x leverage lang, mababa lang, pero malaki yung fund na ginagamit. Ngayon, kapag nakabawi naman yung market, okay pa din. Hindi naman talaga magagalaw yung Bitcoin mo sa spot wallet mo eh. Kasi nga hindi naman siya dinaanan. Probably you'll be hit by the funding rate, which is normal. Every 8 hours, you have to settle yung funding rate. Pero pag umangat yung market ulit, tapos naka-recover ka, para mo lang siyang shield against liquidation. So that's how I see it. That's why for me, malaking bagay if you are to use it kapag may malaki kang holding sa spot. Kasi it can help you protect your derivatives trade from getting liquidated. But at the end of the day, if you're a trader and you are fully aware of the risks and rewards, you should set your own stop loss. So we're not talking about liquidation. We're talking about stop loss kapag trader ka talaga. But it really depends on the person who's using it. It really depends on the person who's utilizing this. So whether or not, it's up to you. Why should you use the Bybit trading account? I will not base it here. I will base it on your own perspective. Diba? If you feel like you're not comfortable yet in doing so, no need to push yourself to transition. If you need to master yung basic na meron ka talagang segmented wallets, that's fine. So I'll leave it to you guys. How to upgrade to UTA? This is a nice question from Rao Deal CTRMN. Nasa siya, wallet, nasa app, punta lang sa wallets mo, assets. May way doon to tell you, upgrade to unified trading account. Sa web naman sa wallet din, sa assets. There's a note, upgrade to UTA or unified trading account. Good evening mga boss from Ted Korean. What benefits does Bybit's unified trading account offer to users, and how has it addressed the needs of traders? Yeah, I think that we've already covered it. So it's more of the ease of access. You don't need to switch wallets from one to another. And when you're trading, it always takes into consideration first even your unrealized profit. The liquidation price is always lower kasi yung collateralized na asset mo from your other wallets will also be taken into consideration. Parang naka-cross, no, Stephen? parang naka-cross. Pero buong
Yung
kumbaga yung
account.
andun na lahat.
Yeah, derivatives account, yes.
So, hindi ka
Ay,
na nagluto sa
derivatives
kaldero. So, ganun siya. Parang naka-cross, pero multiple wallets. So, I hope this helps you understand yung benefits of using unified trading account. But I would say there are still also disadvantages kapag hindi mo talaga siya fully naiintindihan. So, practice extra caution. All right. So, for the winners ng lucky shares today, we will announce in the community. If not next week, popost namin. Tapos, please don't forget, guys, to join our SCA virtual meetup on Saturday. Maraming bonuses na pamimigay. So, sayang naman yon kung hindi nyo kukunin. Nandito siya sa comment section, nakapin. Yan. Sorry, ito pala. Wait lang. This one. Yan. Virtual meetup. Tapos nag-notify din sa push notification nyo. So make sure to check kung na-miss out nyo yung app notification. Alright, so yeah, maraming salamat guys for watching our Midweek Market Watch. We will decide maybe next week we intend na focus muna sa virtual meetup and then pahinga kasi holiday season. Tapos we also want you guys to spend more time with your families. Tapos siguro we will continue yung Midweek Market Watch natin by next year. But we hope that you will also leave suggestions kung paano namin pagaganda yung Midweek Market Watch. Ano yung mga pwede nating ilagay na palabok para mas maging masaya pa siya. Tsaka mas maging beneficial for most. Ano yung mga pwede natin topics. Let us know in the community. Pwede kayo mag-post sa Facebook group natin. Message kayo sa Telegram community natin. Bybit Filipino Telegram community. James, David, maraming salamat. So that ends our Midweek Market Watch this week. This has been your host, Tim Gonzalez. And with me is...
of course, Stephen, your Bybit ambassador. And again, guys, don't forget na sumali sa natin. First ever virtual meetup on Saturday.
Maraming salamat guys. Share this video. Thank you.